Welcome back to Broken and Smoking. Well, I'm sitting in a scrap holler here, and I'm about to do the thing. What thing you say? Sell it. I got the for sale sign up there. As you can see, I got a camper up there. Well, this truck's got a gooseneck. That gray one over there don't. So what am I gonna do? Stick and find out and see. Well, if you stuck around, I guess you'll find out. So this has got a gooseneck ball. That truck don't. So before I sell this truck, I'm going to strip that gooseneck ball off for this one and save me over 500 smackers and put it in my gray one over there. Because we picked up this camper, and that some may know if they do follow me, along with everything. My daughter has got Asperger's, and we finally got her into some therapy that we've really been hoping for. And her and my ex-wife is fixing to be moving up to /fiance is about to be moving up a couple hours away. So that's going to be their temporary home for a little while, and to let them get that all took care of, hopefully. In the meantime, 500 smackers is 500 smackers. If I ain't got to spend it, I ain't going to. So I'm ripping this gooseneck ball off, and I probably won't put it on there today. I'll probably just set it along the side of the shop. That way you can forget, exactly how it came apart. So that's how I'm going to save me 500 smackers, or over that much. Let's go get started. Well, here's the reason what we're doing. It's for that ball right there. We got to have it. I don't know what the difference is going to be between a long wheelbase and short wheelbase, but I got to figure that out. And honestly, I think this one's too far forward. I don't know if that's right or not. I thought they was in the center of the fender wells. Is that right? Beats me. Guess I'll figure it out the hard way. But surely it just bolts on. Looks like there's a couple bolts over here. How hard can it be, right? We'll figure it out. We got WD-40. Some wrenches, some sockets. Worst comes to worst, we'll get the liquid wrench back there on it. Down here looking, we got 2 bolts here, and it looks like 2 bolts up here. But the first thing that I'm gonna do is get your penetrating oil, and this is WD-40 because it's cheaper in a gallon, and I can douse the snot out of it. There's that side. Pre-lubed too. As in suspension's pre-lubed. What else we got? Let's go crawl up underneath it and see what we find. So I'm crawling up under here. Right there's the bottom of the ball. And I probably gonna wish I had this up on the lift by the time I get done. Because those 2 things are the safety latch hooks. Them's got to be removed. And I'm already laying out on the floor like a Sasquatch that OD'd. And honestly, don't want to be getting up and down, up and down. So, what else do I need? I don't know. Looks like there might be a couple bolts up there. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Maybe I can get the ex-wife out here to hand me stuff. I got my shop helper helping me, licking me in my freaking ear. Quit, Chevy. I gotta get trained somehow, don't they? Quit. Go get a flashlight. Hold it. That was a royal pain in the butt. Like, it almost got cut and fixed later. But I got it. But I'm going to clog up the shower tonight when I take a shower. Well, I got an inch of dirt on the ground. I'm covered. And you can see, you know, I got parts here, parts there, fasteners there. Shop dog laying over here. Pieces down there, under there. Pieces there. Pieces still back here. Let me just move the truck up. Watch out, Chevy. Don't let me get you, girl. Back, wake up. Oh boy. Yeah, we got fasteners down here. Here's the plate that I almost cut. All the dirt, the springs, washers. I gotta go through here and pick all this mess up. If I don't, the shop dog will, and I won't ever find it. But for the time being, I saved 500 smackers. I guess I'm happy. I don't know. Probably will be tomorrow, but right now, you know, I'm still a little PO'd. But I gotta go get me a shower. I say tonight, I didn't mean now, because I was supposed to have been somewhere 30 minutes ago, and it's gonna take me 30 minutes to get a freaking shower. Well, if y'all ain't subscribed, like, comment, do all that good stuff, help a brother out. We'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate y'all.